Here we are, we're at the entrance to Adventure Island. We just walked in. We're gonna take you to Rapid Racer. Here's the entrance. What we're gonna do, you just go right here. Walk by the back. All right, here we are. So on this one, you get to race people.
No.
Got our weight limits good. The heavier person is in the back, which is me.
Let me record.
Yep. Just hold it, you don't need the strap. I thought you were supposed to. Here we go. Right, we're not racing anybody, but we're going. Hold it up so you don't have to eat. Here we go. Keep it good, keep it straight. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, we were drunk people. This is April 22nd. Woo! All the POVs. This is 4K from the GoPro. Check out all our videos. Woo!
Thanks for watching.
That's it.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.